Chit Chat Kit Kat. Oh my goodness. Well, I did finish the other tote bag, and here it is. Very soft feeling. Take this out, put it back there so I have a harder surface to work on. But it's, yeah, very soft. Now, I do like these bags because they open up really big. They have a lot of, they have pockets in here as well that you can, if you're shopping, you can put little items in there as well. Okay, so they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets inside as well as a very large space, but they do fold up nicely to a smaller surface. So there you have it. The little bird bag. Okay. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you online.